Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Welcome to Lesson 4, Converting American Length. Now, you've already clicked on this button, so you're obviously listening to us. And what we're going to have you do, obviously, is you type your name in here on your worksheet. Now, we're going to provide you with some directions, but here are some key points that you should already know, and if you don't, they're listed here for you. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 mile equals 5,260 feet. And number 4, 1 mile also equals 1,760 yards. Now, you'll notice that we've provided for you 10 questions and an area to work with. And the reason we've only given you 10 is because you have to do some calculations. For example, on the first one, 4 feet and 11 inches is equal to what? We want you to place the answer here and do the calculation here. Now, here's what you have to do. Pause the video when told to. Do the work, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Welcome back to Lesson 4. Let's see where we're going to start off at. In the first question, we have 4 feet 11 inches, and we have to convert it to inches. Well, 4 times 12 is 48, plus 11 is 59. The second one, 5 feet 12 inches is equal to how many yards? So we must convert this to yards. Pretty easy to do. Well, we know we have 5 feet, and there's 3 feet, or 36 inches in a yard, right? And here's 12. So if we add those two together, we end up with 72 inches. Divide that by 36, and our answer is 2. Number 3. Here we have 10 feet 4 inches, and how many inches is that in total? Well, we're going to have to take 10 and multiply times 12, which will give us 120. Then just simply add 4 to it, and your answer is 124. 6 yards and 36 inches is equal to how many yards? Okay, well, 6 yards we already have, and 36 inches we know is equal to 1 yard, so the answer here is 7. That was a gift. Number 5. All right, here we have 6 yards and 3 feet is equal to how many inches? Well, it's going to be a big number here because we're going to have to take 6 and multiply it by 36 inches because there's 36 inches in a yard, right? And that'll come up with 212. Plus we're going to add 3 feet or another 36 inches. So your answer here should be 252. Number 6. Here we have 5 feet, 5 and 11.5 yards is equal to how many inches? Well, 5 yards, right? We're going to have to multiply that times 36. That'll be 180 plus half of a yard is 18. Add those two together, and we end up with 198 inches. 2 miles is equal to how many yards? Well, if you look up here, if 1 mile is equal to 1760 yards, what's 2? Just simply multiply those, and you end up with 3,520. Number 8, 1 and 1/2 miles is equal to how many yards? Well, in this example here, we obviously we know we have 1,760, right? And we have a half a mile, so simply divide that by 2, add those two together, and you should end up with 2,640. 6 feet 8 inches. Okay, well, how many inches is that? Well, 6 times 12, okay, is 72, plus 8 is 80. And the last one, 72 inches is equal to how many feet? Well, we know there's 12 inches in a foot, so 72 times 12 is 6. Hopefully your answers matched ours, and we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.